summer of love.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Technical Coder here, back again with another video. So coders, in this video I'm gonna show you the best text editor for your web development course, and of course I will show the installation process and also some edits on it. So watch this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more updates and hit the bell icon to get notified when the latest video is uploaded. So stay tuned. So in this video I am gonna use and download brackets. You all know brackets. So for this, go to browser and type brackets. I will keep the link in the description below. You also check out my Facebook page and Instagram page and Twitter page. I give videos on that also and make some important posts. So click on the first link given and you will hit it on this page. You can see the terms and conditions, why I use bracket, nothing else other ends, and click on this button, download button. I have already downloaded, so I will not download it. Oof, sorry. I will just head on to the installation part. I will double click it. Fuck. Click on run. Minimize it. Preparing to install. In C drive, you can change the location. Click next. Press install. It will gonna install automatically. I know you may say that Sublime Text is also good. It's good, but brackets is more better, and Sublime Text is not updated till today. In 2017, brackets is the best. And also one more important thing in bracket is it has more plugins. The best plugin, the Emmet, it will make a disaster change in the typing of your code. So in my case this is the best. But I feel when the Sublime Text will get updated, it was best too. It will take couple of seconds. Also I have made on my videos just like how to install Turbo C++ on your PC. You'll get it on the top right corner I button, and also SQL, how to install it on your PC from downloading to installation. Full I have completed. I have made some videos on how to create a program in Turbo C++ using C++ language. So watch it on the right corner I button. It will take a couple of minutes I think, so I am gonna fast forward it. So let's on the count of beat 1, 2, 3. So it has finished. Now click on finish. Where it is. Now I got you. Yes. So this is the main interface of brackets. When you will open. What the heck is this code written? Index.html. Oh, I like it. So from a new here you can type. You can open a folder. In that folder, just like this, you can create and write some codes on it, and it will get saved on that folder. So that's for it today, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. And I will also make videos on web development series. It's coming soon. So for this, hit the bell icon to get notified when the video comes. So stay tuned. That's for me to this video. Bye bye.